Are you facing issues with your old or new Amazon Echo Dot not working, not responding, or getting stuck? Don't worry, this is usually caused by software glitches, network problems, or a frozen system. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an unresponsive or frozen Echo Dot. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we start, check the basics. Make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Your Bluetooth is turned on. After that, try to follow the advanced solution. Solution 1. Restart the Alexa Echo. Unplug the power adapter from the Echo Dot for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then plug it back in. After that, open the Alexa apps, tap the bulb icon, select your device, tap Settings, tap Wi-Fi Network, check the connection help. If this says strong, that means you have no issues with Wi-Fi. However, if this says poor, that means you have issues with internet. So, you can restart your Wi-Fi to solve that problem. After following this, if you're still facing the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Reset the Alexa device. Open the Amazon Alexa app. After signing up to Alexa, allow all permission if it wants. Tap on the More icon below. Now tap the plus icon at the top. Then tap Device. Next, tap the Amazon Echo. After that, tap Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop. Now, press the dot button on your Alexa device to turn the orange light on. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Once your device is set up, you can connect your smart home devices, set up routines, manage alarms and timers, and many more features. Hope your Echo Dot is not working, not responding, or getting stuck problem is fixed. So folks, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if you have anything to ask. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, till then, stay tuned.